Uf, uf. En este lugar hay mucho tráfico, muchas personas y mucha basura. Necesito un lugar calmado, con personas calmadas, con mucho espacio verde y sin basura. Ah, ah, esta no es mi comunidad ideal. Ah, hola mi gente. Welcome to Unit 6, Mi Comunidad, my community. This is the last unit in our Spanish 1 course. Can you believe it? Wow! We started this course talking about our personal identities in Unit 1, and we're going to finish it by talking about our community's identities. Throughout the course, we have talked a lot about various Latin American countries where community is really valued and celebrated. And now, we get a chance to celebrate our own local communities, what they mean to us, the places, the activities, the people in them, and how we can contribute to improve their quality. To get started, today we're going to look into the concept of community. So, stick around. I assure you that by the end of this lesson, you'll be able to define and describe your community using new vocabulary. Make sure you have your notebook to take some notes and work with me. So are you ready? ¡Vámonos! The first question that we're going to answer today is, ¿qué es una comunidad? Write this question down. ¿Qué es una comunidad? ¿Qué es una comunidad? You got it? This is what your question should look like. Now, keeping in mind that we're focusing on our local communities, let's take a few seconds to jot down 3 or 4 words in English or in Spanish that come to mind when you think of community. Comunidad. Go ahead. Got it? So, those words are a good indicator of what community means to you. And I want to help you express that in Spanish. So listen to this simple definition. Close your eyes and open your ears. Una comunidad es un grupo de personas que comparten intereses similares y un área en común. Por ejemplo, su barrio, sus principios, sus objetivos o su cultura. Let me say it again, and this time I would like you to jot down in Spanish any words that you understand from the definition. You don't need to pause the video, just try to catch anything as I speak. Okay, let's go again. Una comunidad es un grupo de personas que comparten intereses similares y un área en común. Por ejemplo, su barrio, sus principios, sus objetivos o su cultura. Did you kind of get the gist of it? If not, don't worry, because I'm going to break it down. So, what do you think is the key element in a community? As in, there is no community without people. That's true, my friend. No people, no community. And what do you think are the conditions necessary to call a group of people a community? They have to have what? In order to be a community, the people need to have things in common. And that's the first part of our definition. Una comunidad es un grupo de personas que comparten intereses similares y un área en común. Comparten might be the only word that is difficult to figure out. It is a variation of compartir, which means to share. Comparten, they, the people, share. And if you look at the rest of the words, you can easily infer their meaning because they look and mean the same things as in English. They are cognates, correct. Intereses, similares, área en común. You got it, right? Excelente. Now, to close our definition, why don't you give me some examples of the interests and the area people might share as part of a community? You can refer back to the words you first jotted down and those you understood when I give you the full definition. Go ahead. Maybe you wrote neighborhood or cultura. And those would be excellent examples, as the last part of our definition shows. Por ejemplo, su barrio, sus principios, sus objetivos, o su cultura. Here, barrio might be the only word that's hard to figure out. Barrio means neighborhood. So say barrio with me. And make sure to roll those R's. Barrio. Again, barrio. You can also say vecindario. 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 Good. And again, the rest of the words are cognates. So you got those. Now, we're going to put it all together like this. And I know it's true that there are many other aspects that make up a community and that could be included here. But we're trying to keep things simple, and I trust that you get the idea. So warm up your tongue and get ready to say the entire definition after me. O, a, o. Una comunidad es un grupo de personas que comparten intereses similares y un área en común. Por ejemplo, su barrio, sus principios, sus objetivos o su cultura. Now you go ahead. Excelente! You're ready to go from defining community to describing your community. So let me ask you this. ¿Cómo es tu comunidad? Write this question down. ¿Cómo es tu comunidad? Write it down. You got it? Now, picture your community in your mind and jot down 2 words in Spanish that you could use to describe it. Here's a hint. Try to remember words that you use to describe your personality, your feelings, and your house. Go ahead. Maybe you said grande. Mi comunidad es grande. Or tranquila. Mi comunidad es tranquila. Mi comunidad es grande y tranquila. Now, let's look at some other words that could apply to your neighborhood or community. Make sure you take some notes. Limpio, limpia, clean. Mi comunidad es limpia. Mi barrio es limpio. Try saying it after me every time. Mi comunidad es limpia. Mi barrio es limpio. Good. Next one. Seguro, segura. Safe. Mi comunidad es segura. Mi barrio es seguro. Great. Now look at this photo of a community. What would you say to describe it? You would say, mi barrio es seguro. Now, let's look at some other words and remember to repeat after me every single time. Rural, rural. Mi comunidad es rural. Mi barrio es rural. Next one. Urbano, urbana, urban. Mi comunidad es urbana. Mi barrio es urbano. Great. And the last one. Diverso, diversa, diverse. Mi comunidad es diversa. Mi barrio es diverso. Great. Again, look at this photo of a community. What would you say to describe it? Mi comunidad es rural y diversa. Mi barrio es rural y no es diverso. Or, mi comunidad es urbana y diversa. You would say, mi comunidad es urbana y diversa. Now, I'm curious to hear what you have to say about your community. So look at your notes and use at least 3 words from the new vocabulary to describe it. ¿Cómo es tu comunidad? Great job! Let's take a quick look back at what we did today. In this lesson, you define what a community is and learn to describe your community using new vocabulary. So, my friend, now you can tell others about your beautiful community and what it means to you. So keep practicing, and I promise you, you're going to get even better at speaking in Spanish. Until then, I'll see you next class. Ciao! Nos vemos! Hey.